Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. This is Will Stroll. I'm going to show you a new feature that we just added to version 1.5.0 of the Upendo Prompt extension for DNN. And so in this, it was actually a response to a forum post that I saw where somebody was having challenges enabling or disabling the CAPTCHA feature that's in the login of DNN. And I can show you the login by just quickly switching to an incognito window. That's not it. Here we are. So this is the same site we're just looking at. And if I choose to log in, that's just the standard login, right? So over here is another version of the site. So I'm in a guest window, everything's disabled. And all I need to do to use prompt, and I'm not here to teach you prompt in this video, that was a different video. But if I just type in help, we can find the command I'm looking for, which is set-captcha. So if I click on that, it adds the help command to the bottom. And now we can see what it does. So essentially, it'll just toggle setting. If it's turned on, it'll turn it off. If it's off, it'll turn it on, right? So let's go ahead. I can just press the up arrow, delete help. And now let's see what happens when I hit enter. There we go. It says CAPTCHA has been toggled on this website. So I just came back over to this other view. I haven't even refreshed. I'm just going to click login. There we go. We can see that the CAPTCHA is now there. If I come over here and I just hit the up arrow to run the command again, now it says CAPTCHA has been toggled off on this website. So now if I come back to my window over here, now I am refreshing just to get rid of that, and it's gone. It's that easy. Underneath the covers, it's just setting a portal level setting or a site level setting and then toggling it back and forth. That's all there is to it. I hope you learned something. And as always, please try to support us through the GitHub sponsors. If you see that button, please click on it. Any amount, we're very grateful. Thank you so much. Have a great DNN day.